Good morning, students. In this series of videos, we learn fundamentals in mathematics. By watching this series, you will have clarity in fundamentals. Phobia towards maths will be eliminated. You can improve speed and accuracy by following our methods. Subscribe our channel and follow 20 videos relating to fundamentals in mathematics. Today's topic is LCM. What is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Okay, what is least common multiple? Take any two numbers, say 4, comma 6. Now, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 means nothing but fourth table. We know fourth table. Yes, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, so and so on. Now, multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 means sixth table. That is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, so and so on. Now, common multiples. What are common here? 12. Oh, they are already in bold letters. Next, 24, 36, so and so on. Least common multiple. That means among common multiples, the least number, it is nothing but 12. It is called LCM. LCM means first write down multiples, collect common multiples. Among common multiples, the least one is least common multiple, nothing but LCM. LCM is applied in so many scientific and mathematical calculations, but especially in addition and subtraction of fractions, it is highly useful. Finding LCM in this process is very long. So we have two methods to find LCM. One is prime factorization method. Before going into prime factorization method, let us recall prime numbers below 100. How many prime numbers are there below 100? Yes, there are 25. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are 25 prime numbers below 100. Now, let us solve small question in prime factorization method. Find LCM of 70 to 90 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So, we have to prime factorize 72 and 90 also. Take 72. What is the first prime number? Yes, 2. So 72 can be written as 2 into 36. Now 36 can be written as 2 into 18. That means it becomes 2 into 2 into 18. Now 18 can be written as 2 into 9. That means it becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. In total, it becomes 2 cube into 3 square because 3 2's are here, 2 3's are here. So it is 2 cube into 3 square. Now come to 90. 90 can be written as 2 into 45. 45 is not divisible by 2. So the next prime number 3. 3 into 15. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now it is 2 into 3 square into 5. Prime factorization is finished. Now LCM. How to find LCM? The product of all the factors with highest powers. Observe here 2 cube and 2 power 1. Highest power is 2 cube. Collect that 2 cube. Next one 3 square and 3 square. Both are same. So highest is 3 square itself. So write down 3 square. It is 5. There is no 5. That means here we have 5 power 0. Among 5 power 0, 5 power 1, highest is 5 power 1. So write down 5 power 1 or 5. 2 cube means 8. 3 square means 9 into 5. Its answer is 360. 360 is LCM of 72, 90. One more question. Find LCM of 60 and 100 by prime factorization method. 60 equals to 2 square into 3 into 5 by prime factorization. Similarly, 100 equals to 2 square into 5 square. LCM is product of all the factors with highest powers. Here 2 square and 2 square. The highest is 2 square itself. We have 3 here. Here there is no 3. No 3 means 3 power 0. 3 means 3 power 1. So among 3 power 1 and 3 power 0, 3 power 1 is highest power. 5 square. The highest power is 5 square. So it is 2 square into 3 into 5 square. Its answer is 300. So LCM of 60, 100 is 300. That's all. Now come to second method. What is that second method? By division method. Don't worry, division method is simple and easy to find. The question is find LCM of 150, 210 by division method. Write 150 and 210. Now both are divisible by 2. So divide with 2. 275 is 150. 105 is 210. So by dividing we get 75 and 105. Both are divisible by 3. So 325 is 335 is. Now both are divisible by next prime number. What is the next prime number? 5. 5 5s are 5 7s are. All are prime number. Observe here. So the LCM is multiply in this way. Okay. Once again. Multiply from top to bottom. Multiply from top to bottom and towards right. That means 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Its answer is 1050. We are solving LCM in another style, not another method, another style of division. LCM of 150 to 10 is equal to, observe carefully, both are divisible by 10. So write 10 into 10 15s, 10 21s. What is in the small brackets? Yes, 15 21. Both are divisible by 3. So it can be written as 10 into 3 into 5, 7. Both are co-prime numbers. So simply multiply. 10 into 3 is 30. 7 into 5 is 35. So it is 1050. Observe, same answer. This is not another method. The style of solving this problem is a little different. That's all. Now find LCM for 12, 16 by division method. Observe this carefully. 12 and 16 are divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 2 8 are. Again with 2. 2 3 are 2 4 are. Again with 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. So carry it as it is. Now carry the 3 and 2 2s are. Again with 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. Carry it as it is. 2 1s are. Now with 3. 3 1s are. 1 is not divisible, so carry it as it is. Now LCM is finished. What is LCM? We already told you. Multiply from top to bottom and towards right. Then it becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Its answer is 48. LCM in another style. LCM of 12, 16. Both are divisible by 4. So write 4 into 4 3s are 4 4s are. Observe here, co-prime numbers. So multiply simply. 4 into 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 12 is 48. Finished. Now let us solve one more question. LCM of 20, 25, 30 by division method. First division with 2 because first prime number. 2 tens are 220. 225, no, 25 is not divisible by 2. Just copy it down. 2 15s. Again with 2. 2 5s. Copy 25 as it is. 15 is also not divisible. Copy it as it is. Now with 3. 5 is copied. Now 25 is also copied. Now 3 5s are. Now with 5. 5 1s are. 5 5s are. 5 1s are. Again with 5. 5 1s are. 1 is copied and 5 1s are. 1 is again copied. It was finished because all are 1s. Now multiply from top to bottom. Now we get its answer as 300. In another style, LCM of 20, 25, 30. 3 numbers are divisible by 5. So we can write 5 into 5 4s are, 5 5s are, 5 6s are. What is in the brackets? 4, 5, 6. In this, 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So we can write it as 5 into 2 into 2 2s are. Copy 5 as it is. 2 3s are. Now here all are prime numbers. Simply multiply. Its answer is 300. That's all. Find LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54. Observe carefully and multiply it. You will get 432. In another style, LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54 is equal to, all are divisible by 2. So 2 into 8, 12, 18, 27. Observe carefully. First two numbers are Observe carefully. First three numbers are divisible by 2. So it is 2 into 2 into 4, 6, 9 in 27. Now 2 into 2 is 4. Here 6, 9, 27 are divisible by 3. So it can be written as 4 into 3 into. This 4 is copied as it is. Now 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 9s are. Now 4 into 3 is 12. From first 2 we can bring 2 outside. From the next 2 numbers we can bring 3 outside. Now it became inside 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now inside are coprimes. So simply multiply, you will get 432. Note, LCM of two prime numbers is product of the numbers. One more note, LCM of two consecutive numbers means side by side numbers, is equals to product of the numbers. One more note, LCM into HCF of two numbers is equal to product of the numbers. Let us solve a small question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 12 and 20. Here we have to find 3-digit number exactly divisible by 12 and 30. 12 and 20. Now first find LCM of 12, 20. It is 60. Multiples of 60 are 61s are 60, 62s are 120, 63s are 180, so and so on. We want first the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is first one, that is 120. One more question. There are less than 10 dozen eggs in a large basket. If you count them 3, 5 or 7 at a time, 3 at a time, 5 at a time or 7 at a time, there are none left. How many eggs are in the basket? Very simple question. 10 dozen. Do you know what is meant by dozen? Yes, dozen means 12. 10 dozen means 10 into 12, that is 120. First find LCM of 3, 5, 7. Because when we count at a time 3, count at a time 5, count at a time 7, nothing is left. That means the number is divisible by 3, 5 and 7. So we have to find LCM. LCM is 105. It is less than 10 dozen, 120. So its answer is 105. Now our question comes here. Simplify 5 by 12 plus 9 by 20. We already told you we use LCM especially in addition and subtraction of fractions. Here the question is 9 by 12 and 5 by 12 plus 9 by 20. What are the denominators here? Denominators are 12 and 20. First find LCM of 12 and 20. That is 60. Now we have to do the denominator should make equals to the LCM. How can we do it? How 12 becomes 60? Very simple. 12 becomes 60 when we multiply with 5. Yes. So in a fraction, we know that if we multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, the value will not change. So my aim is to make this denominator as 60. So I multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. Similarly, I want to make this 20 as 60. So I multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. So it becomes 5 into 5 plus 9 into 3 by denominators are same. So we write that denominator 60. That means it is 5 into 5 25 plus 3 into 9 27 by 60. Its answer is 52 by 60. Dear students, we can come to here directly. How it is possible? It is possible. Observe carefully. LCM is 60. Write down 60 in the denominator. Now 12 5s are 60. Divide 60 with 12. 12 5s are. The numerator is 5. 5 into, write that 5. Plus the denominator is 20. 23 is 60. Numerator is 9 into 3. Now you will get the answer. Let us solve one more question. Choose an appropriate symbol from the brackets. The question is 13 by 16 dash 17 by 20. Symbols are is equal to, greater than and less than. How to solve this? First find LCM. LCM of denominators, that is 16 and 20. Its LCM is 80. Our aim is to make each fraction's LCM denominator as 80. For it, multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. It becomes 65 by 80. Similarly, multiply for both numerator and denominator with 4. It becomes 68 by 80. Observe carefully. The first one is 65 by 80. Second one is 68 by 80. So here we get yes, less than. Now one more question. Simplify 11 by 16 minus 17 by 24 plus 1 by 2. Collect the denominators 16, 24 and 2. Now find its LCM. Nothing but 48. LCM is 48. So write denominator as 48. Now 16 3s are 48. So 11 into 3. Copy this minus here as it is. 24 2s are 48. So it is 17 into 2. 2 24s are 48. So it is 1 into 24. Now it is 11 into 3 is 33 minus 17 into 2 34 plus 1 into 24 24. By simplification we get 23 by 48. Note, LCM of a fraction is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. Solve yourself questions. It is your homework. Solve it yourself. Don't miss our next video, that is on multiplying and dividing of fractions. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Thank you for listening. And for our previous videos, click on the link given in the description box. Thank you once again.